Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the new App Inventor for Android Beta. So let's just go and create a new project file. Let's just call this, if you don't know what you're doing yet, because there's so many features that you can use in the app, it's just really amazing. So I'm just name it app to begin with, or test, or project. So go into that, because you see all these great things that you can use, and you can always change it later by going into save as, and then the name of it. Alright. So first thing we're going to do is you're going to put a button in. You want to have your phone connected and go into your settings, applications, development, mock locations, orientation, screen lock, if you have that, and stay awake during USB debugging, if you're familiar with the clips. Okay, so this is App Inventor for Android. You have to be invited to use it. So I'm just going to go into a new tab, and then go to Google and okay, so I'm going to provide the form, like the form you have to fill out in the description. Let's copy that now. So you have to complete a form and then, take the form, sign it out, and then you should get an email saying that you're allowed in. It takes about like a week or two. So, alright. Once you're pretty much invited into this, then come back to this video. So, alright. Let's go into File, New tab, Google, and let's get an image for our button. Let's just take an iPhone. It should be good size. Okay. So we have that icon now. Go back into and go into image, add, choose file, and resize of 300 pixels. Okay. So you want to delete the text off. Alright. So now you want to go into media and drag the camera over into it. And then you want to add another button. Button 2.
You didn't do nothing.
Go back to this.
No, you didn't do
and
nothing.
we'll call this one.
No. I gave you already.
Let's just take this. Alright, so go in image, add, choose file, like we did, and Twitter icon. Click OK, OK. And then over that, you can just delete this text. And I'm sorry that they're different sizes, it's not going to matter really. Then go into social and drag your Twitter over your Twitter icon. Alright, so once you've done that, you want to go and have your phone connected and everything that I instructed. Go into Open Blocks Editor. And then it should come up in your downloads. Just don't do anything. It should do it all itself. And you can delete them from your downloads if you want. So it's a Java web application. So just let it load for a second. Okay. So then click Connect to Phone. It should start connecting into your phone. So communicating, and as soon as it is done, it should just say screen 1. It said listening to App Inventor, little notification should come up, and then your screen should be white with little icons. Okay, once you have all this, go to My Blocks, button 1, and this is the thing I love about App Inventor. It's so simple because when button 1 is clicked, the action is going to perform. So when it's clicked, it's going to do or open. Camera 1, camera, take picture. Button 2, when button 2 is clicked, it's going to just pretty much open this. So let's just look for the one that says It should be Twitter authorized. I'm pretty sure. Alright, so that's my bad about the whole Twitter thing. You have to get a, hold on, I'm trying to see the website. Twitter.com/OAuth. So you have to get a, okay, so, we're not going to be able to use Twitter right now because there's so many problems with it. It's just really annoying. So we're just going to change the button to something else. So let's go to add, choose file. Let's just choose this button again. Okay. Alright. So once you have that, let's make this one email picker. Oh, that's something different. My bad. How about contact picker? Okay, and then I want to delete this button. Contact picker. So then let's go to new tab. Google. Let's add an image. It's probably not going to work, so let's might as well get another one. Okay, so let's take this one. Okay, so now you have a big contacts icon. So delete all the texts, of course. That's your contact picker. So yeah, so when you click on the contacts icon, you open your contacts, and it'll show. It doesn't show your contacts how you have them. It shows them a lot easier. It shows the number you recently called, an email that you sent an email to, or an email you saved, and then it should show all your contacts and emails, like everything that you put in there. So that's all your contacts. And you click on the camera, and it starts up your camera. And let's take a picture of it. And then you can click OK or retake. So let's click OK. And it takes you back to your app. So let's go back in the blocks editor. Camera take picture and camera 1. So after picture, you want to, yeah, that should be like that. Okay. Connect the phone. I'm sorry, this video is taking so long. It's a lot to fit in. Okay, so now I just changed the camera settings. So let's go try that. So I'm gonna take a picture. And then click OK. It doesn't really do anything different. So I don't want to do a camera. I don't want to do after picture. Okay. So that's pretty much just the basics of this app. You can do a lot. You can just do whatever apps you want. So that's what I love about it. Or you can add like a texting. That's pretty cool. So I'm gonna connect to my phone and test that out. White box. Put an image on it. So let's just add the file. Okay, so wow, the icon looks really jammed in there. So I'm gonna take the text out. Enter. Alright. So that should be texting icon. Phone number picker. That's weird. Phone number picker. I don't remember picking phone number. I think I clicked text. Okay, so texting one. Alright, so receiving is enabled, so all this does this. And then as soon as you click on SMS icon, go straight into your contacts and you can select any other people here. So let's just do a test. That's great. Alright, so when you get your contact, so when you're texting message you get received, when you receive it, you want it to send message. Alright, it's I'm a little bit confused. I hate to say it because it's just it takes a lot of time and I don't want to fit all that in right now. So that is just the basic video. So thank you for watching.